Hi, my name's Rachel and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a little Black Friday / Cyber Monday haul. I know it's like low-key late, but I was waiting for all of my packages to arrive and they finally arrived, so here I am with the video. There's a lot of like smaller businesses that I follow on Instagram. I've been wanting to like buy stuff from them, but I just never got around to it, and I wanted to like support smaller businesses rather than like the stores that I normally shop at. All of the small companies that I bought stuff from are like super awesome, and I'd love to talk about what they're all about, but I tend to ramble and I really don't want this video to be super long, so I'm gonna leave timestamps down below along with like the brand's Instagram and their website so you can check them out, because they're just like all amazing and you guys have to check them out. You have to. Most of these packages I haven't opened them. They've just been in my room because I was waiting for this video, so I'm super stoked. Okay, I think I'm gonna start off with like all of the smaller businesses first so you can check them out in case you don't watch the whole video. We're gonna start off with Beaten Path Co. and this bag is a compostable bag. I don't know how to say words. So the first thing I ordered was a tote bag and it's super cute. Everything that I bought is in here. Okay, let's see what we got. Ooh, I love this. It says your passion, your path. It's a navy blue hat and it just says Beaten Path Co. Let's see, I needed a new hat. Ooh, it feels so good. Ooh, is the bill straight? I don't know. That's a really comfy hat. I got this long sleeve and it's super cute. It just says get out there, Beaten Path Co. and it's a guy on a motorcycle, or is it a dirt bike? I don't know. And he's holding a surfboard. Same design on the front and the back. Really nice cotton shirt. I love this material so much. And the next thing I got was this short sleeve shirt and it just says Beaten Path Co. with a surfboard and the mountains. I love the color so much of both of these. Oh man. The last thing I got, it's in this envelope that says my name and then it has a note on the back. I got stickers and I got a patch. Oh my god. The Beaten Path patch and then this little sunny one. This is gonna be so cute on my overalls. Oh, I got 5 stickers. Dude, these are really good quality stickers. That's one thing that I love about like small businesses. Quality stuff, man. My next package is from Get Back Necklaces and I'm actually an ambassador, so you should definitely use my code for 20% off of your next purchase. We just have a bag. Oh, this is so cute. I got this all white necklace in a small, and then I got a blue and silver necklace in a small, and then I got an all green necklace in a small. The next one that I got was a navy blue and white one in a medium. Oh man, I love this. A blue and orange one in a medium. Dude, I'm so excited. I didn't know that the smalls were that small. I didn't like look at the sizes or anything, but I'm super stoked. Oh yeah. Nice, nice, nice. I'm stoked to wear these. The next place I got stuff from was Feeling Swell. Cutting it. Ooh. I honestly don't remember what I ordered. Ooh. Ooh. I got a coconut scented car air freshener because the air freshener I normally use is the Sex Axe one that smells like coconut too. This one smells a lot better though, and it's like super cute. I love this card. It says, make your mental health a priority. Dude, I'm definitely gonna hang this up in my room when I'm done. And then they threw in a Feeling Swell sticker. That's super cute. I just got, ooh, yes. Yes. I'm the type of person, I like the thick cotton. Like, I like thick cotton shirts. It's like a washed black. It smells like the air freshener. It has a sign and it has a surfboard and a palm tree. And then it says Feeling Swell for the smile. This is so cute. I can't wait to cut it. Okay, the next place I got stuff from was Surf Locos. Let's see what I got. I know I got socks. I love the socks that they have. I got these socks. Oh, they gave me stickers. Oh, there's a little sticker right here and it says, no bueno. I just got these socks and they're so cute. It says good vibes with a little smile. Love that. I got 2 stickers. I need a new hydro so I can put all my stickers somewhere. I got this long sleeve and it's supposed to be like a boxier long sleeve and it just says Sunset Session California Surf Locos. Wait, Sunset Session with Surf Locos and then California. Super cute. I love the tag. Oh my god. Ah! I love, see, support small brands, bro. Like, the little things matter. The tag says made with good vibes and then it has a little sun with the wave. I love that so much. The next small company is from this girl that lives in Florida and her brand is Boardwalk Beads. She sells like jewelry and stuff. Sorry. I'm the worst like unboxer ever. Okay, so this is like a ring that you can fit on any finger. It has a smiley face and that's super cute. I think I have to make it smaller somehow. I have really skinny fingers, but it's super cute. The last smaller business, I don't know if they're a small business. Like what makes a company a small business? Please tell me. I ordered stuff from Thread Wallets. I'll show you all the things I got. Ooh. So we just got this Thread wallet, and the front has like that. I can't English. There's elastic up front, and then it's just a leather wallet. Then I got the matching lanyard. I personally put my keys on a lanyard, but I guess it'd be cool to have my wallet. I love like the color thingy that I picked. Ooh. The last two things that I got from Thread Wallets were these like lip balm holders. I got one in black and I've got one in white. That's it for the smaller businesses. Now I'm gonna go into everyone else. From American Eagle, I got a swimsuit top. Would this fit me? Maybe. It smells weird. I don't know, it smells weird, but I got a swimsuit top. I got a bunch of underwear. Shout out my friend Bailey, because I used to wear like underwear from Pink, but American Eagle changed my life. Like literally the best pennies you'd ever wear. I got some Christmas socks, and it says Merry Christmas, y'all. At the red truck towing Christmas tree. The last thing I got from American Eagle were these mom jeans. I have no idea if they're gonna fit. I really hope they do. Ooh! And these are just black ripped ones. Not a fan of the material. I hope these look good. I like my thick jean material. What type of jeans do you like? I like rough denim, like actual denim, constrict my legs denim. The next place, Bryony Melville. Please don't come for me for shopping there. The chick put in a bunch of stickers in my thing, and then I got this shirt that's like super cute. It says Off the Lip, South Bay, California, and it's just a dude surfing. It's like a t-shirt dress. I love those. From Tilly's, I got my dad a hydro. I got him like a big one like 2 years ago, but he lost it and he didn't like how big it was, so I got him the 24 ounce in a nice slate gray or whatever color it is. Oh, stone. Okay, you're probably wondering why I didn't get like winter / fall clothing, and that's simply because I look disgusting in winter and fall clothing. It just doesn't work out for me. I'm meant for summer. I got this cream colored turtleneck long sleeve to wear under things. I don't know, I have a fit idea, kind of, not really, but yeah, super cute. I got the same exact one in this like maroon red color. Super nice. I don't really wear red, so I was like, let me spice up my closet, you know? I really hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'm really sorry if I was like super awkward. I haven't filmed the video in like months because I just finished school, so yeah, here's my debut. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to subscribe and like this video, and comment down below some more small businesses that I should check out. If you have a small business, like, let me know. I love spending money that I don't have. But anyways, thank you so much. I hope you have a great day. Stay stoked. Don't forget to do the do. And I'm sending good vibes to you through the screen. Catch 'em. Bye.